Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to indent paragraphs in Google Docs. Whether you want to do a left or right or various other indentations, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the easiest way would be just to get your mouse cursor in front of the sentence or line that you want to do the indentation for, and then tap the Tab, T-A-B key on your keyboard. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. If you want to use an alternative method, you can select Format up at the top here. Select where it says Align and Indent, and you can select left, center, right, or justified, as well as if you want to manually increase or decrease the indentation by selecting one of those two options there. And again, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.